Well, I've got a new neon bulb here. This is old one, this is new one. You can see they're a bit different. I'm hoping that once it's in there it'll be alright. I mean, it's not as big as the original one, but hopefully if I put it down towards the middle of the thing, it should do the job. So I'll solder it in and then see what it looks like. I've put the new bulb in, and you can see it's looks a bit smaller than other ones, but anyway, I'll turn it on and see what happens. And you see it's like working its way up the thing. Yeah. Hopefully if I leave it, it'll fill the rest of that electrode, light it up, but it doesn't seem to be doing. Bit different colour from other ones. They fully light up, but that one's only lighting up part of it. It is at least working though, if you can select it. I'll try another one and see what that's like. See if it's any different. Put a different one in there. That one seems to be a bit funny now. I might screw it in and see what it looks like. And then I'll maybe have to change all of them to make it look even. Actually looks alright, isn't it? A bit brighter than other ones even. I don't know if you can see that, but like that is sort of ever so slightly brighter than other numbers now. At least it's working. Pretty pleased with that. I think I might just change all other ones, then they'll be even. And then, because one of the other ones is bound to go at some point, so I might as well just replace the lot. Should be alright, I think, providing that you know, that vertical amplifier stays alright. then that tally should be back in working order.